Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT in brilliant black crystal pearl. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 38,000 miles on the odometer, audio jack input for mobile devices, split folding rear seats, third row seating, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 47747A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.